Hey, welcome. And in this video, I will show you my performance in April in terms of trading. April was a momentous month for me, mainly because I lost all my funded accounts, and the last time I lost any funded account was in mid of last year, so there's quite a few months in between. Usually, I copy trade my trades across all the accounts, and I lost everything because I made the drawdown. I was having a stressful time with my day job due to the ongoing layoffs. A recurring theme during the peak work stress period, such as quarterly reporting, is that I tend to be a bit more reckless in my trades. April was when the first quarter earning release was going and I was busy at work. During the first 2 weeks of the month, I didn't take much trades because I knew I traded poorly and stressed. But even after that, I went on tilt and traded without a plan. This happens every few months, and it's unfortunate that I had a string of losses before this. I wasn't really following my plan, and my drawdown was precarious. My funded futures offer this pretty little calendar, and I figure I might as well be showing this off. On the 15th, I blew my first Billionox funded account. And then I bought my funded futures evaluation account because my remaining funded account with Billionox was in significant drawdown as well. And I wanted to switch trading from NinjaTrader to TradingView, and I needed a TradeOvet platform. My funded futures matched my requirement as the end of day drawdown account, and I purchased my account on the April of 16. I had a break-even trade on the 17th and a loss on the 18th. I usually take 1 or 2 trades a day, risking a maximum of $150. And for that risk, I will aim for a 6.7 risk reward each time, expecting to earn $1,000 in return. During the third week of April, I was still regaining my footing, given how my performance was during this week. My other funded accounts has a bit more leeway, but it was also at its breaking point. On the 23rd, I lost my second and last funded account. That was when I told myself I need to regroup and be a bit more patient before entering and plan my trades first. On the 25th, my trades started to improve after I tried the mental reset. I took a trade which I lost. My bias was correct, but my entry was wrong. So this is a recording of the live stream that I had. I am usually live every day from 10 a.m. Eastern, and you can see that I was very confident that the price for the day was bullish, and I even draw out the directions that I'm thinking that it will go to on ES. But if we move forward, let's see. You see that I am now looking at the NQ chart, and NQ chart was the more bullish one. I even wrote here that I missed my initial entry over here for NQ. And I was already predicting that NQ will be very bullish. And because NQ was too bullish and I missed my entry, I think I initially set an entry over here. But because my entry was wrong, so I think I got stopped out and it was loss for this one. So that is $150 loss. And then I reattempt it again, but this time it was on ES. So I waited for this, and I even pointed out to the viewers at that time that my initial plan was for it to go over here. That was how confident I am that it was bullish. And let's see, I am risking 5 points for 50 plus points. But in the end, I think I readjusted the take profit to my first take profit because I was intending for it to I was intending to leaving the trade early, even though I was very confident that it is going to be a high bullish day and it will be hitting back at the 50.84 points level. Right. So this was a point during the live stream where I was telling the viewers like how I'm anticipating the chart pattern to move. If you can see, I am already looking at it, bouncing off my take profit here, but it will also keep on going up and take over this level. And by this time around and by this time I think I ended my stream because the time is already 12:20, which is lunchtime, but it is midnight my time, so I am actually planning to close the stream and go to sleep, which is why I also a reason why I didn't keep the profit target at a much higher end, even though I am very confident that it is really going to go and hit the 50 and 80 level, which is actually what it which is actually what they did in the PM session. So I didn't trade on the 26th, and on the 29th I think I also missed my ideal entry, and I quickly got out from the trade then, and I stopped trading. On the 30th I followed my rules and accurately predicted a significant drop in price during the live stream. I even marked out the levels where I expect the price to go, which is where it eventually ended up. So this is early on in the session, around 10:40, where I have marked out my levels and where I'm predicting it to go to. Right, so this is when I hit my entry, and you see I am risking $150 for my stop. Okay, so this was when price hit my entry and immediately just declined. Actually, in this at this level, I was talking to the viewers like how this drop was so aggressive. I'm actually anticipating that the profit target is much lower compared to my current take profit, but I am still sticking with my 6.7 risk reward, and that's why I'm taking my profit target at this level. But after my take profit over here, you can see that I actually drew the level where I am anticipating the price will go to eventually. And yeah, see, I drew the level first, and you can see that the price, it hits the level and immediately rejected it. It hits the level and immediately rejected off the level I drew. And the next point where it rejects was where my take profit is. So I was a bit wrong in that it is rejecting off this level, but I should have drawn it is rejecting off my initial take profit. Boom. And there, the profit target is reached. If I would have kept to my plan at this point, I think it would have been about 20, let's see, maybe a 15 RR if I follow my take profit at that time. So in summary, like April was a challenging month for me. I lost 2 funded accounts, and I'm now restarting my evaluation challenge again with my funded futures account. So I am looking forward to starting all over again from zero. Then, thank you and I will see you in my next video.